Now, it's no news that the Enyimba Hotel is about to get a major facelift. The Abia State Government, in partnership with Radisson Blu, is gearing up to renovate this iconic hotel and conference center. We all know about the news surrounding this hotel, how it has stayed for so many years, and finally it is getting the attention needed. If you need more news about what went down with this hotel, kindly go through our previous videos. We have it all covered on this channel, and that's no news to us anymore. But before the work begins, there's an important cleanup underway. Hello everyone, I welcome you specially to today's video. Welcome back to Ebonyi People TV channel, your go-to spot for all of the latest developments in Southeast and even beyond. Today we are bringing you an update straight from Abia State, where some big changes are already happening around the famous Enyimba Hotel. If you've been in Nigeria or you live in Nigeria, you know the drill. Wherever you see old, unfinished or abandoned buildings or projects like this one, you realize that they are often buildings or small houses made of wood or zinc. What we like to call batcha. There are usually people living in these batchas, these houses made of woods or zinc. And during the raining season, it's usually very bad for them. And around the Enyimba Hotel, these batcha have been part of the scenery for a very long time. And here's the update. The demolition of this unwanted structure is now in full swing. That's right. Crews are already out there knocking down these makeshift homes and clearing the area for the development needed in Aba. The goal is to create a clean, safe and ready environment for the upcoming renovations. It's all part of the plan to give the Enyimba Hotel a complete transformation into a world-class facility that will boost tourism and put Aba on the map as a top commercial hub. Now, I know that some of you might be thinking, change like this isn't always easy, especially for those who have been living in this batcha for a very long time. We've seen the scenes, people are upset, and there's a lot of lamenting about the impact on their lives, and honestly, we feel their pain. It's never simple when your home or your surroundings are suddenly swept away for development. But who knows, they might have informed them beforehand, but then it's still very painful. Sometimes tough decisions have to be made for the greater good, right? The idea here is that by clearing these unwanted structures, the state is setting the stage for a major upgrade soon. The area around the Enyimba Hotel will be buzzing with new energy, ready to welcome high-quality facilities, more job opportunities, and a whole new chapter for the community. This is really good news. My heart deeply goes out to those people who are truly affected. This renovation in question is not just about the building, it's about revitalizing an entire area and bringing in progress that benefits everyone in the long run. So if you want to see how these changes are unfolding, check out this video footage. You'll see the demolition teams in action, hear from these locals who are sharing their thoughts, lamenting on how this is going to affect them and stuff, and get a real feel for what's happening on the ground in Aba. It's a mix of excitement for what's coming and a bit of sadness for what's been lost. But one thing is clear, change is happening and it's a welcome development for the future of the area. That's it for today's update, you all. Stay tuned right here on Ebonyi People TV for more news as the story develops. We'll keep you posted every step of the way as the Enyimba Hotel and its surroundings transform into something truly spectacular. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in our next video.
Hey, come on, go and pack your things. This is demolition of illegal structures at Enyimba Hotel. The governor has mandated that all the chantels and all the criminal hideouts in this environment will go down. And that is exactly what is happening today. The men of Operation Trust and the NDLA are here carrying out the instruction of His Excellency Dr. to demolish every structure within this environment, within Enyimba Hotel, because he's going to commence work at this hotel to rebuild this hotel.